Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us do some NCERT questions related to compound interest and simple interest. The first question is, calculate the amount and compound interest on 10,1800 for 3 years at 12.1/2% per annum compounded annually. Okay? Now, this is our principle on which amount of interest is to be calculated. This is our time period and this is our rate of interest. Now, we have principal is equals to rupees 10,800. Time is equals to 3 years and rate is equals to 12.1/2%, that is 25/2% per annum. As we know, amount is equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power time. P is 10,800. 1 plus R is 25/2. Time period is 3 years. Right? This is 10,800. 1 plus 1 by 8 to the power 3. Right? 10,800. 9 upon 8 to the power 3, that is 15,377.34. For CI, for compound interest, we will deduct principal from the amount, that is A minus P, which is 15377.34 minus 10,800, which will come out to be rupees 4,577.34. The second question that we have is, calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 62,500 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Now the interest is charged half yearly. Okay? So let us begin how to do it. Principal is rupees 62,500. Time is 1 upon 1/2 years, that will be equals to 3/2 years, and rate is 8%. Now, as we have the interest is compounded half yearly, but the rate of interest that we have is annually. This 8% is per annum, per year, right? But we have to calculate the compound interest half yearly, right? Half yearly means 6 months. In 1 year, there will be two 6 months, right? In 1.5 years, there will be 3 6 months. We can divide 1.5 years into 3 6 months, right? So, for calculating this, we will divide rate of interest by 2 and multiply our years by 2, right? So let us start. This will come out to be 3 and this will be 4% half yearly. Now the amount is P1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Principal is 62,500. 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 3 into 1 of 4 by 100 to the power 3, which will be equals to 70,304 rupees. And for CI, we will subtract principal from the amount, right? 7304 minus 62,500. That will come out to be rupees 7,804. Our next question is, Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at 15% per annum, compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? Right? The time period here is 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan. Now, sum borrowed is equals to rupees 26,400, right? Rate is 15% per annum and time is 2 years and 4 months. Here we will divide this question in 2 parts. Okay. First of all, we will calculate the amount for 2 years. Right? After calculating this amount, we will calculate simple interest on that amount for 4 months. Okay. Now let us start. We'll take time here is 2 years. Now amount is equals to P1 plus R upon 100 divide to the power T. Principal is 26,400. 1 plus 15 upon 100 to the power 2. 26,400. 115 upon 100 to the power 2. That will come out to be rupees 34,914. 34,914. This is our amount. Okay? This is the amount which she will pay at the end of 2 years. Now we have 4 months more here. So for this 4 months, we will calculate 4 months SI will be equals to PRT by 100. Here, principal is this amount, right? The amount which we calculated for 2 years will be the principal for next 4 months. Then principal is 3. Rate of interest is 15%. Now what is time? Okay. Here, the time which is left is 4 months. Right? We will change these months into year. Then how many years will this 4 months have? It will have 4 by 12 years. That will be equals to 1 by 3. The time period here will be 1 upon 3. Right? So this will be equals to rupees 1745.70. The total amount which she will pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months will be the total amount which she will pay at the end of 2 years will be, total amount will be equals to this amount, and rupees 34944 plus this interest 1745.70. That will be equals to rupees 36,659.70. This is the amount which she will pay at the end of 2 years. The next question that we have is, Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, right? And Radha borrows same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. What we have to calculate here is who pays more interest and by how much. Fabina and Radha had borrowed same sum of money, right? And for the same time period, but the rate of interest and type of interest is different. So let us begin. Fabina borrowed equals to rupees 12,500. Same for Radha. Right. Rate is 12% per annum. Here the rate is 10% per annum. Time is 3 years. Now, Fabina borrowed the sum of money at simple interest. So here we will calculate simple interest. That is P into R into T by 100. And Radha had borrowed it at compound interest. There he will find out compound interest. Any amount is equals to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. Right? Now, simple interest here will be, which will come out to be rupees 4,500. Here SI is the interest Fabina paid is rupees 4,500. Right? Now here let us find out the amount. 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power T. That is T is 3 here. 11 upon 10 to the power 3, which will come out to rupees 16,637.50. Right, here amount is this. Then CI, for CI we will subtract this principal from the amount. 16,637.50 minus 12,500, that will be equals to rupees 4,137.5. Right, here the CI is 4,137.50. So by comparing these two, we will say Fabina paid more interest by how much? Subtract both the interest and we will get 362.50. Right? We will continue this topic in our next video. Till then, keep watching. If you have liked my video, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe my channel.